Are you ready to have more time for the things that matter? You won't believe what we found for you. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be testing 3 free AI tools that can help boost your productivity for your daily task and work. So let's get started. 1. Microsoft Designer. Microsoft Designer is a new kind of AI-powered design app that helps you make professional quality designs just by saying what you want. Here's how it works. Let's say you're putting on a concert this summer and need to get the word out to get started. Just tell Designer what you need to make. Microsoft Designer even help you write the perfect prompt. Designer will quickly come back with some great-looking options that use Designer's massive catalog of professional images. Make your design even more personal by adding your own images from your device. If you can't find that perfect picture, Designer can generate new images with AI again just by describing what you want. It's never been easier to start a party. You can go in and change any part of a design. As you add additional elements like a new text field, the Ideas pane can give you arrangement suggestions that make the text fit right in. Designer can even help with writing, so it's easy to say just the right thing. Right on writing assistance. Designer also has some incredible tools that use AI to make time-consuming image production tasks upgrades. Let's take this concert out under the stars. How about some fireworks? For the grand finale, we can use a suggestion with Magic Motion to make our design come alive. When it's time to share your creations with the world, Designer makes it easy to share however you want. We'll even give you AI-powered recommendations for captions and hashtags based on your content and goals. 3. Tiny Wow. Tiny Wow is 100% free to use with no pesky registration required. This tool is like an all-in-one tool, and you can use so many different AI tools for free, like PDFA tools, image, writing, and AI video tools. In this tutorial, we will try 2 tools. Now, let's start with the PDF translator. Upload your PDF file and select the output language. Then click the Translate button to start the translation process. You can download the results by clicking the Download button. Now, let's try the Audio to Text tool. You can access it from the video menu and select the Audio to Text option. Upload your video file, and after this AI tool finishes processing, you can download the result by clicking the Download button. There are so many AI tools they have, so you have to try them yourself. 4. Piggy AI. Piggy AI is an incredibly interactive and easy-to-use app. It allows its users to not only explore a wide range of content, but also to create and share it. This AI tool runs better on mobile devices, but in this example, we will use the desktop version. You can easily create quizzes, social media stories, or summarize articles. In this example, we will try to summarize an article from Google's blog and convert it into a shareable image or video. To start, click the Summarize button and enter the article or article URL. Then click the Go button to start generating the content. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share this video to support my AI channel. See you in the next AI tutorial video. Till then, bye.